How to change duration of animation in Canva. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So I have left a link in the description and the pinned comment down below, which will directly bring you over to canva.com. Now over here, I'm simply going to select a presentation. So I'm going to create a blank presentation. I'm going to add some text. Just like that, I have now added text. So I'm going to click on here in order to animate this, because here at the top we can see animate, and here we have a bunch of different animations. So there's actually a lot of them, which all look pretty cool. So we have rise, pan, fade, even stuff like writing as if it is actually being written live, which is pretty cool. So let's say I were to use ascent. Then over here, we can see the speed. So you can change everything here, but as well as the speed. But as you can see, I can actually not change this because I do not have Canva Pro. So here we can start a free trial if we would like to. So we can upgrade over here, and via that way we can change the speed however we would like to, as well as the writing style, but and the direction as well actually. But I actually do not have that, but this is the place where you can adjust the speed of your animations. So this was a really quick tutorial, but I hope this video has helped you out. So that is how to change the duration of animation in Canva.